The ECHO project stands for the Embodied Carbon Harmonization and Optimization Project, and it's a collection of really all stakeholders in this space when it comes to design, engineering, construction, certification, and compliance.
Those groups wanted to make sure they were harmonized and understood what they were asking of the professions, and they came together to form alignment.
We saw an opportunity for all of our organizations to collaborate together so we can all move faster in terms of what kind of data to collect, how to collect it, what standards to follow, all related to life cycle assessment and embodied carbon.
I would call it disruptively collaborative to find solutions that can actually lead to decarbonization of the built environment.
The ECHO project was catalyzed around a summit that was being hosted by the Wholesome Foundation for Sustainable Construction in New York City. In that process, it was recognized that we needed to be better aligned.
One of the things that kept coming up was trying to understand the data and the standards. So if one organization is asking for this type of data, the other organization is asking for it in a slightly different way. What happens is that projects are wasting time remeasuring the same thing to meet someone else's different requirements.
We should all be speaking the same language when it comes to this problem. When we're talking about embodied carbon emissions, the most important thing is that we all take action. So to collaborate on how we take that action and how we describe that action is something that's truly special, I think, with this group.
One of the outputs of the ECHO project is a schema. And a schema is a set of data points that are collected about projects. It's what information are we collecting, how do we measure that information, and how do we write it up, what units are they in. It's just saying this is the information, if we're going to be comparing things, apples to apples, that we need to be collecting.
The only way to scale impact is to give people the tools they need to do so. The ECHO project is bringing everyone together to create a common language that will enable anyone to build on top of what we're doing and actually use their powerful minds to innovate and decarbonize the way we build.
The reason the ECHO project is so important is because we do not have 50 years to come together to work on embodied carbon. When we work together now, we can work fast and accelerate that action, which we need for embodied carbon.
It's really important to recognize that this was a voluntary effort, that all of these organizations and individuals have donated their time to make a substantial impact to the built environment. And I think now the ECHO project is ready to put its stamp on something and say this is what we think is ready for the future, and it has the backing of all of these organizations and individuals.
I hope that people can learn by the success that we've had to date and follow our journey so that we can apply this to even more impacts that we have to address in the built environment.
Thank you, U.S. Green Building Council, for this honor.
Thanks, USGBC.
We are so humbled and honored to be accepting this as the ECHO project, and we promise that next year we're going to scale the impact that we've started.